RAM temporarily stores data for fast access, improving system speed, multitasking, and overall performance. Why today's video is about top 5 best computer RAM that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at crucial computer RAM, this 32GB DDR5 RAM kit delivers excellent performance for gaming and high-end productivity systems. With speeds up to 6400 MHz and low latency CL32 timing, it significantly improves system responsiveness, making multitasking smoother and enhancing frame rates in demanding AAA games. The 2x16GB configuration provides a balanced dual-channel setup, ideal for both gaming and content creation. Its optimized timings, 32-40-40-103, ensure stable performance even during overclocking, supported by advanced micron memory technology for reliability and efficiency. Compatibility is another strong advantage, with support for both Intel XMP 3.0 and AMD Expo profiles. It works seamlessly with Intel Core Ultra Series 2 and AMD Ryzen 9000 series processors, making it highly versatile for modern builds. Beyond performance, the RAM also stands out visually, featuring a bold heat spreader design available in Snow Fox White or Stealth Matte Black camo, adding a premium aesthetic to any PC setup. Overall, it offers a powerful mix of speed, stability, and style. Now our second product is G.Skill Computer RAM. The G.Skill Trident Z RGB DDR4 memory kit is a high-capacity and reliable solution for gaming and professional desktop systems. With a total of 64GB, 2x32GB running at DDR4-3600 CL18, it delivers strong performance for multitasking, content creation, and memory-intensive applications. Its dual-module configuration ensures stable dual-channel performance, while the 1.35V operating voltage helps maintain efficiency. Support for Intel XMP profiles allows easy overclocking, enabling users to achieve optimized performance with minimal manual tuning. This kit is designed as a matched pair, ensuring maximum stability when used together, which is essential for avoiding compatibility or performance issues. The inclusion of JEDEC default profiles also ensures baseline compatibility across supported systems. Visually, the Trident Z RGB design adds a premium touch to any build with its iconic lighting and sleek heat spreader, making it ideal for RGB-themed gaming setups. Overall, this memory kit combines high capacity, solid speed, and stylish design, making it a dependable choice for advanced PC builds. Our third product is Teamgroup Computer RAM. This DDR5 RAM kit is designed for next-generation performance, offering strong overclocking capabilities with Intel XMP 3.0 support for easy one-click tuning. It is compatible with Intel 600 and 700 series chipsets, making it a solid choice for modern gaming and productivity builds. The memory features stylish RGB lighting with a 120 degrees ultra-wide illumination design, adding a vibrant look to any PC setup. It also supports multiple lighting effects through smart RGB IC control, allowing users to customize their system aesthetics easily. In terms of performance and stability, it includes on-die ECC for improved error correction and reliability, along with high-quality ICs and a strengthened PMIC cooling design to ensure efficient power management and stable operation even under heavy workloads. With a lifetime warranty and official technical support from Teamgroup, it offers long-term peace of mind. Overall, this RAM combines speed, visual appeal, and stability, making it a strong option for modern DDR5 systems. Now number 4, Corsair Computer RAM. The Corsair LPX DDR4 RAM is a reliable and performance-focused memory kit designed for gamers and PC enthusiasts who want stable overclocking potential. Its hand-sorted memory chips ensure consistent performance with strong headroom for tuning, making it suitable for both gaming and productivity workloads. Optimized for wide compatibility, it works seamlessly with the latest Intel and AMD DDR4 motherboards, offering flexibility for different system builds. The low-profile 34mm design is a major advantage, allowing it to fit easily in compact or small form-factor cases without clearance issues from large CPU coolers. A solid aluminum heat spreader helps efficiently dissipate heat, ensuring stable operation even at higher clock speeds. This makes it ideal for long gaming sessions or heavy multitasking environments. While achieving maximum speed may require BIOS adjustments or overclocking, the performance potential is excellent when properly configured. Overall, this RAM offers a strong balance of compatibility, cooling, and reliable high-speed performance for modern DDR4 systems. And our last choice is G.Skill Computer RAM. The G.Skill Ripjaws V DDR4 memory kit is a solid and dependable choice for gaming and everyday desktop performance. With a total capacity of 32GB, 2x16GB running at DDR4-3200CL16, it delivers smooth multitasking, stable gameplay, and reliable performance for productivity tasks. Its dual-channel configuration ensures balanced bandwidth and responsiveness, making it well-suited for modern games and applications. The support for Intel XMP profiles allows easy memory overclocking, enabling users to reach optimized performance settings without complex manual tuning. The included JEDEC default profile also ensures broad compatibility out of the box. Designed as a matched kit, it provides stable operation when used together, helping avoid compatibility issues that can occur with mixed memory modules. This makes it a safer choice for system builders who value reliability. Overall, the Ripjaws V series offers a strong combination of speed, stability, and compatibility, making it a practical and efficient upgrade for any DDR4-based gaming or work PC. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.